Meaning of East Anglia.
East Anglia.
East Anglia.
East Anglia.
East Anglia. East Anglia is a region located in the eastern part of England, consisting of the counties of Norfolk, Suffolk, and Cambridgeshire. The name East Anglia derives from the Anglo-Saxon kingdom of the East Angles, which existed during the 5th to 10th centuries. Today, the region is known for its scenic landscapes, historic architecture, and cultural heritage. It is also home to several prestigious universities, such as the University of Cambridge and the University of East Anglia, as well as numerous museums, art galleries, and other cultural institutions.